Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a super quick and delicious recipe that is a perfect option for weight loss journey and if you are simply looking for a healthy snack or breakfast. This smoothie is helpful in weight loss and weight management and it keeps you full for longer and avoid unnecessary cravings and provide a nutrient packed low calorie option to fuel your day. This smoothie is packed with proteins, fibers, antioxidants, and omega 3, making it a nutritious and quick busy mornings. This highly nutritious smoothie does not contain any artificial sugar or milk, making it perfect for weight loss. High fiber content in the smoothie keeps you feeling fuller with lunchtime and you avoid unnecessary snacking. So let us start. For this recipe, I am adding 3 tablespoons of rolled oats in a bowl. I am soaking oats for 15 minutes by adding 1 cup of water. You must be thinking why there is a need to soak these oats before using. Actually, oats before using soak required as they are become easily digestible and improve nutrient absorption and also achieve a smoother texture in the smoothie. I am gonna soak it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the oats are completely soaked. And now I am gonna strain the oats and put it under running water to keep them rinsed. Now I will add the rinsed oats in a blender jar and add some ingredients into it. 1 glass of water with some almonds. I am using 10 almonds to make the smoothie a protein rich recipe. Almond reduce craving by providing a satisfaction combination of protein and fiber and healthy fats and control hunger and support weight loss. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon flax seeds. These small but powerful addition to your diet when it comes to weight loss. Packed with fiber, protein and healthy fats, it reduces hunger, boosts metabolism and promotes digestion. I am adding the best food for weight loss that is chia seeds. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of chia seeds in this smoothie. Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients including protein, fiber, omega 3 fatty acids, antioxidants and minerals like calcium and magnesium serve the best ingredients for weight loss purposes. Now I am adding half-inch cinnamon stick that not only give out flavor but also are rich in antioxidants, help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings and support weight loss. Now I am adding honey in it that will be served as sweetener and also it improves metabolism without spiking blood sugar levels. So it will be served as best sweetener for the recipe. Now lastly I am adding a ripened banana into it. Bananas aid weight loss by providing essential nutrients, promoting satiety with fiber, and offering a natural source of energy without excess calories. Also, it will work as natural sweetener as well. Now, I will cover it and blend it until all the ingredients are mixed. Healthy and yummy smoothie is ready to serve. Pour it in a serving glass and enjoy. Now I am pouring it in a glass and next step will be the garnishing of my yummiest smoothie. For garnishing purpose, I'll be using cinnamon powder. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder or you can use crushed nuts of your own choice to garnish it as well. Yummiest smoothie is ready to serve, packed with high nutrients fibers and you will really enjoy its taste as well. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Hopefully you have enjoyed my recipe and I always strive to provide helpful videos for you including tips on weight loss and healthy breakfast ideas. For more visit my channel Cafe Erum and if you have enjoyed this video do not forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts and like and share my video as well. Subscribe with bell button so you will be notified by my latest videos. Thank you for watching.